Whoa, the plow really needs to come through this street here. It's a little sketchy. What's going on, guys? It's the best 1A. We are on our little trek to work here. I'm using the Osmo as we roll. Not gonna go too fast through here, but yeah, we got a little storm that's passing through, a little winter storm, and I figured why not give you guys some views of this so you guys can kind of check this out. You do have to, you know, you always do have to be careful when you're driving through this stuff. You really don't want to go any faster than you really need to. Slow is not a bad thing. Hope all you guys have been good. I've been pretty good. I can't complain. Taking a little break from editing, and probably around end of March or so I'll pick it back up again. But unless it's the mail openings, that's probably the only thing that I'll really film. But little stuff like this I can kind of just do on the phone and upload it real quick. Not a big deal. Once riding season comes back into play, then I'll start working on some uploads, which is always enjoyable to me anyhow. I'm actually surprised the plows haven't passed through yet, because usually they're pretty quick with passing through. You always have to look down that way to make sure nobody's not coming down that way at you, because at times you get somebody coming down that way and they can't stop because they're flying. This is one of the reasons in the Northeast you really have to make sure that you have either snow tires on, or you have some really good all seasons on your car. And I like to keep some really good all seasons on the car, and I monitor them through the summer. So if they get a little low, I just change them out, you know. Because when the winter time comes and you hit this stuff, you don't want to be playing around, man. You don't want to be on some tires that you don't have any grip, and you're just doing a slip and a slide, and you're taking a ride. Oh boy, somebody didn't change their tires. Oh, that sucks. Again, that's another reason why I say you definitely gotta make sure you got good tires on your car, 'cause you don't want to be doing that. You don't have to have snow tires, but definitely want something good on there. I'm gonna stop at this gas station over here and get some gas. We'll be back. Well, I'm out on the main road. The main road actually seems pretty good. I'm actually happy about that. They plowed. What the heck is that? They plowed out here, which is good. This is the Pilot. Sometimes I'll go to get gas. They got pretty good coffee, but lately I got this Smart Pay with Cumberland Farms, so I end up getting the gas way cheaper than almost anywhere else around here. That could be a little iffy jiffy, but I guess we'll see. I might jump off and just take Route 9. That'll take me longer, but or actually I got a better way. I know I could take 87 down to 16. might work. With emphasis on might. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. And I got a few minutes to do that. So this is the junction where you take 87. You can take 87 going north on up to Albany, and soon you guys will see me riding on that 87 north, taking that straight on up to Lake George for that bike week, baby. Woo! Bike week. Gonna be up there for 3 days camping. Gonna have my tent and all that good stuff. I'm actually hoping to get some more camping in even before that, just for the fun of it. But I gotta see how I can work that out. But I should be able to. Find a little state park somewhere and go pitch a tent. Or even a campground, whichever. There's always a way. But there's a will, there's a way, baby. Well, 87 doesn't look too bad, which is good. I can kind of mosey on down here. Orange County Choppers is over here. They just built this hotel. That hotel is new. And then behind that is Orange County Choppers, which you can probably barely see. My window's all messy and full of ice. Truck man on fire. Woohoo! Move over, baby.